This 5-minute solution will show you how to read all mails in Gmail in iPhone. So if you have bunch of unread mails and now you want to read all of them at once, follow these simple steps. So if I open my Gmail app, and as you can see, here is no option to select all mails. So if you want to read all mails at once in Gmail app, you can't do it in your Gmail app. So all you have to need, just open the mail app in your iPhone and then tap on edit at the top right, tap on select all, tap on mark at the bottom left, tap on mark as read. So this is the only way to read all mails in iPhone. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe 5-minute solution. See you in the next video.